greenhouse. Frank and I are gathering greens for dinner. I wanted to show you the value of weeds. What we have, we've got lettuce, Lambsquarters. These are Braising greens here. This is spinach or some kind of oh yeah, spinach. He's got it labeled. You can see the Lambsquarter is right in it. I'm going to leave it there. I might weed some of it out. I might thin some of the spinach. We're going to cut the Lambsquarter and eat it right along with the greens. Lambsquarter is really rich in vitamins. It's a deep green. It goes deep. It's hardy and persistent. And we want hardiness and persistence in our system. So we're going to leave it there. There's another one Frank's after. Frank, what one are you getting out from under here? Remember the one I asked you?
Oh yeah, dandelion greens.
Oh yeah, way under there. Go ahead and go get them. We're going to put dandelion greens in our salad too. Dandelions put down a really deep taproot. Dandelion is known for being a cleanser of your system. It's a really good first in the season, early spring kind of green for helping you get your system cleaned out from all the gunk and sludge of winter. All these bright greens. We're eating a lot more greens right now because we're wanting to get our systems cleaned out going into summer.
Yep.
Get all the winter sludge out. And greens are one of the best ways to get your system going. They provide a lot of deep nourishment that's really accessible to your body. If you eat them as salads, you get the extra fiber. I'm the kind of person, I don't tolerate so much fiber, so I tend to throw them in a frittata, which is basically an omelet with a lot of vegetables in it. I throw them in everything. We cook our greens a lot. Some people just need that. Some people do really fine with lettuce and raw salads, and that's great too. Either way, or a little bit of both. But greens, they're great. Weeds are your friends. And you can cultivate them right along in your garden. Treat them just like a garden plant. Keep them going. These are fun things. These are sunflowers that are volunteering in here. We'll probably end up transplanting them. The other garden weed that I get a lot is Purslane. And I save that. I keep that for ground cover, and I keep it for nutritional value in eating. So weeds are great in your garden. Weeds are your friends. And we thought we would just share a little bit with you from the greenhouse.